Creativecrambo back with another one. Yeah, so one of my subscribers wanted to know my waterfall setup and you know, what pump I'm using and stuff like that and how it runs. The guy's channel is called Koi Run. He's a nice fella, always leaves a nice comment in the comment section. He's got a great channel himself. He's got some superb koi, and yeah, that guy knows his stuff. Highly recommend you check his channel out. So yeah, he wanted to know my setup on my waterfall, and what I've done is opened up the back there. As you can see, I've done a little bit of framework in there, and that side too. So that sits on top of that framework. The blade is 90 centimeters long, and I think it's about 90 millimeters deep, I think. So that's the reservoir there. This also comes with leaded lights, really effective at night time. So that's the pump I'm using, really effective pump. So these two pipes here, that one feeds the waterfall, that goes down there, feeds the waterfall, goes to the back of there. Then I've got a manifold which splits them pipes, and then as you can see there's two inlets coming into the waterfall from the bottom there, and then obviously the water cascades over that way. Yeah, so it's got two pipes of this pump. The other pipe there goes down, sort of curls around there a little bit, but then goes to my main tanks in the pond, which feeds three tanks in there. Very powerful. Plenty of water flow going into that. Yeah, I put this sort of caging around it as well, just sort of stop any debris, any leaves getting in the front of that. That just sits down there in the bottom of my pond, and then I just hook it out with this if I need to clean it. Yeah, so over here as well I've got a ball valve there, so I can turn this waterfall off on and off as and when I want to. I've also teed off there, and that goes round there, all the way around, and then that hooks up there onto that DIY venturi. That's very effective too. The koi splitter is connected to the skimmer, that's got a separate pump. Got a couple of lights there missing, but not too worried about that. I've probably had this about 7 years now, so it just goes with the territory over time. But really effective, easy to make up really as well. You know, I just put my decking back underneath that, it just picks up underneath there and holds that in place. You've got the cable there, electric cable comes on there for the light, that just goes into the shed, feeds into there. Yeah, so happy with all that anyway. Just thought I'd show you guys. As the koi run did ask me to make a video, I'm always pleased to do things like that for people. Just give you a little idea if you ever want to buy a blade. They're really effective. You know, this could go at any height, up and down, and it sort of cascades over and oxygenates the water there really effectively. I'm more pleased with that. Yeah, happy days with that. What I'm going to do now is I'll get all this back, and I'll show you the waterfall in its true glory. Hopefully I don't break no pipes when I put that back in. It's been in the water for a good while now, and them pipes are really brittle, so fingers crossed on that one. If I do, I'll just gotta repair that pipe, but hopefully not. So yeah, all said and done, I'm going to get that back, and I'll show you the waterfall in its true glory. As you can see there, doing a really good job. Plenty of oxygenation in the water. Nice leaded light as well, really effective. Easy to install once you've got your blade. Really pleased with that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.